Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Pool Blaster Pro 1000 Commercial Cordless Pool Vacuum Cleaner. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Introducing the Pool Blaster Pro 1000 Commercial Cordless Pool Vacuum Cleaner, the ultimate solution for efficient and hassle-free pool cleaning. This high-powered pool vacuum is designed for heavy-duty cleaning, making it perfect for residential and commercial use. With its rechargeable and homeless design, you can say goodbye to tangled cords and limited range. Equipped with a sealed rechargeable battery, this pool sweeper offers an impressive 2 hours of runtime, allowing you to clean your entire pool without interruptions. The extra-wide cleaning path ensures maximum coverage and faster cleaning of both in-ground and above-ground pools with any pool surface. The completely sealed and watertight battery not only provides increased runtime from 1 hour to 2 hours, but also guarantees safety and durability. The cordless and hose-free design adds convenience, making it easy to maneuver and clean every corner of your pool, unreachable for automatic and robotic pool cleaners. Designed for professionals and pool owners of all levels of experience, this pool cleaner is built to withstand the toughest jobs all season long. Its cordless design allows for fast and efficient cleaning, while the durable construction ensures it lasts for multiple seasons with minimal maintenance. Invest in the portable Pool Blaster Pro 1000 and experience the convenience and efficiency of a top-of-the-line commercial pool cleaner. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional pool vacuums and enjoy a sparkling clean pool with ease. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.